Do you want to earn $30,000 a month in revenue from the comfort of your own home and while you sleep? Well, look no further. We'll be covering this in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome to Make Money from Home. Today, we're taking a look at some easy, legitimate, and awesome ways you can make money and passive income while freelancing from the comfort of your own home with your own work hours. Make sure you stay till the end for exclusive secrets and strategies you can use to start making thousands of dollars yourself with a little amount of time. That's all for now. Let's jump right into the video. Before we get started, let's take a recap and a quick look into the world of freelancing. Let's face it, the idea of rocking out of bed, making a ridiculously quick commute to your laptop and beginning work sounds like bliss. But working from home isn't necessarily as easy as it sounds, and every advantage is tempered with drawbacks. These are the best and worst parts of working as a freelancer. Some of the pros of being a freelancer include flexible working hours. It allows you to pick your hours, work from home, and work around your other tasks and studies. It also provides you with a good work-life balance. With no rules, you can take regular breaks and head out to see your friends. You have control over your workload. You can be selective about which tasks to take on, so if a job will take too long or it doesn't pay well enough, there's no harm in rejecting it. You get international clients, which is amazing. As the majority of freelance work is done online, freelancers can work with people from around the world, potentially making a lot of money. With the right reputation, the amount of money you can earn is limitless, and there are so many opportunities. However, it's always good to know that there will be some negatives to the positives. Some of the cons of freelancing include keeping up with tax, for example. Filling out self-assessment tax returns can be confusing. You have an unstable and varying income. You might have to deal with late payments, and it's not always easy to find commissions. Depending on where you work, you might have distractions at home. It can take a lot of discipline not to procrastinate or spend too long in bed when you choose your own hours. Furthermore, work is competitive because plenty of people will be applying for the best projects. So you'll have to work hard to gain experience and make your application stand out. Finally, working on your own. As most of your work will be done at home, it can get lonely. Looking for freelance groups on sites like Facebook or Meetup to find other people to chill with while you work can be very beneficial. However, if you already have experience, you're gonna love this video. And if you're just getting started, you're gonna love this video even more because these jobs do not require any experience to get started and be successful, which is why these methods are so beneficial. So shall we take a look? I think we should. Also, let us know how your experience freelancing has been so far in the comment section down below. We would love to hear and help you all. The very first freelancing job that you can easily make money with and is still very popular and in demand for people that are just getting started and people that already have some traction is website design. Now, before you freak out about the topic of website design, a recent survey has shown that 40% of businesses still do not have websites. Yeah, you heard me right. I repeat, 40% of businesses still do not have websites. So there are plenty of new, constant, and huge opportunities in website design right now. The market is wide open, and most businesses out there need your help because they still do not have a website, flat out. You don't even have to do all the work yourself. You can outsource the work to a freelancer and act as a middleman doing this. All you have to do is go to a website like Upwork and hire somebody to outsource. To summarize what we've just spoken about, there is a wide open market in the area of website design. It's easy to outsource and you make money. Good money, high-paying fees, and long-term connections. Professionals make thousands by getting others to create a website template styled to the client, and they simply send it over and take the profit. How amazing is that? And it's definitely something you sitting at home watching should consider. Before we move on, we're going to give you 5 seconds to like, subscribe, and comment done. A winner will be selected and mentioned in the next video. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Make sure you completed everything, and let's continue with the video. The next service we'll be talking about links with our last point, and this is SEO. And the reason SEO is so popular is because of recurring revenue that's common on this type of service. You might be asking, what is SEO? Well, SEO means search engine optimization, which is the process of growing the quality and quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of a website or a web page to users of a web search engine. SEO refers to the improvement of unpaid results and excludes direct traffic and the purchase of paid placement. The biggest part of the service is the recurring revenue, because once you get through building a website, you have to go find another person in order to make money. But with SEO, you can get paid every single month from the same person. This is a much more sustainable and scalable business. It's a great source of income, and you can get paid anywhere from $500 to $1,000 or even more. The sweet spot for most professionals is $1,000 every single month to do SEO for business. Now that recurring element is huge, and that's why it really is very popular and is the backbone for most freelancers. But another reason it has become very popular is because it's easy to convince individuals and business owners that they need it. Because if they're not found in Google, they're just not going to be found, meaning they are missing out on potential business and sales. Just letting the owner know about the problem will quickly provide you with a constant and easy income. The other reason we're talking about SEO is because it's easily outsourceable. All you have to do is go out and find slow-loading websites. Then you use this as your foot in the door, because for businesses that have websites that load slow, Google ranks them negatively in their search engine results. So what you have to do is go out there and find these slow-loading websites and offer to fix it. You can do it yourself if you have the knowledge and experience, but you can also have somebody else fix it. Use this slow-loading website as a way to get a foot in the door and then upsell recurring SEO services. This is great if you're looking to do a service like that and get some recurring revenue. Disclaimer: quickly, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and let us know what tips and videos you want to see next. We would love to hear. Moving on to the next service, which is an easy way to make money as a freelancer, is Adwords. It is a very simple service to fulfill. It's easy to deliver results, which is why we are mentioning it on the list. When you get somebody an ad on the top of the page of Google for their business, they're gonna get clicks. It's pretty straightforward. Not a lot of complication here, and it's easy to find people who want to buy advertising on Google. You should look to see if they're advertising elsewhere, like the Yellow Pages and stores, because all the individuals that are on these pages and are looking want more exposure for their business. Then what you can do is call those people and tell them you can get them on the front page of Google tomorrow, which brings us to my other reason why the team at Make Money From Home like Google AdWords. As we mentioned before, it's easy to convince people that they need the work done that you're offering. And again, it's easy to outsource, and you can find Google AdWords masters all over the internet. For example, you can go to Upwork and find other freelancers who have tons of experience with this, so you don't have to have all the experience yourself. You can have them do the work for you. So all you have to do is find the people that want Google AdWords to be run for them. Then you find somebody on Upwork and have them run the ads for you. So all three of these services are awesome and easy ways to make money. But before we go, I think we have time for a few more. So let's keep diving into the world of freelancing. Writing and translating is also a great service to provide as a freelancer. This is probably the most accessible type of freelancing work out there, especially if you're studying an essay-based degree and spend most of your days writing anyway. Freelance jobs in this field are hugely varied. You could be asked to write blog posts, whole ebooks, product descriptions for online stores, or even Facebook posts and tweets. You could even try your hand at freelance journalism, writing pitches to magazines, newspapers, and other publications. Just be aware that some publishers, even big names, will try to take advantage of your student status and expect you to work for free. Ask about their rates before agreeing to write for them. Plus, if you're fluent in another language, translation work beckons. Some languages can earn you more than others. One language could earn you over $50,000, and how awesome would that be? Graphic design and programming are next on our list. Design is a bit more of a challenging sector to join. Not only do you need to own some industry standard software, but you need to have top skills and creativity to use it to its full potential and meet the demands of your clients. You could be creating logos for new startup companies and individuals to begin with and work your way up, animating videos, illustrating snazzy PowerPoint presentations, or even working on adverts that will appear in papers and magazines. But it can quickly start to bring in consistent income streams. Programmers are the brains behind the websites and apps that we use every day. They're tasked with building software that is well designed and easy to use for the typical customer, and often have to write lines and lines of code to make it happen. As well as this, you might offer virtual IT support. Typical projects include helping websites with their search engine optimization, SEO, as we spoke about before, which involves making them more visible in search engine results. Opportunities for analyzing statistics and managing databases are common on freelance sites too. So, did you enjoy today's video, and would you like to see more? Well, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of how to make money working from home and much, much more. Check out this video, and I'll see you soon. Take care.